Yeah, so guys, I'm here with Arap Kogo here. I was doing a vlog about how to arrange a single room.
Exactly, this is the way we're talking about it, the way we're dealing here with these things, understand, real, have it,
Yeah, you have it, man. There, this is how we do it in the ghetto, and that's how life continue. Like a hustler nation, we in Jamaica, Ethiopia, like the last year, man.
Exactly, yeah, Rastafari, don't understand, nigga, we have the fight, they tell the West to about the COVID 60, and it's Selassie himself, King Obama himself, everybody.
Yeah, all the big niggas like Haile Selassie, Wajakoya in the trend, in the new one right now. Let's see the other things over here in Arap Kogo's place.
A true man plays reggae music.
A true man plays reggae music, and this is where the reggae comes from. Here, this is where the reggae comes from, and that's how we do it. Or maybe we can just put it on. Maybe it will interfere with the video.
I just wanna breathe. You take me higher, you stay close to me. I feel so alive, feel so alive. Dark on my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night. I feel so alive, feel so alive. Dark on my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night.
Okay, welcome back to the system. This is the video I'm talking about. This is the system that we talk about. Also, as you can see, that's my kitchen. You can see also this is the table chair. You can also see the bed in there. You can also see the systems there. As I told you, the Schumann plays normal reggae music. You can see how we collect water, we harvest water. You can see our gas there. Everything is just okay. I also talk about Harmonize here. You see, we're not talking about the Bongo Finest. We talk about Harmonize himself. We talk about King Dan. We talk about Don Kiba. We talk about Rayman. We talk about Lava.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. So between those bongo finest, who is your favorite?
My favorite is Diamond Platinum.
Diamond Platinum is your favorite, man.
Is your favorite?
Me too, me too.
Diamond Platinum's here.
Yeah, I see. Okay, one message for the viewers, maybe.
One message for the viewers is just to subscribe the video.
Yeah.
Also think about it. You'll be receiving Bongo Finest. People from their Bongo. You guys that that you're coming from Wasafi. Here Diamond Platinums himself. I will see the 254.
Yeah, guys, that's cool. We are here. We are hanging out with Bossy right now. That's what I had for you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, maybe you do it now, baby.